am, and welcome back to our craft. As you can see by my hotbar, I have been busy in between episodes. So, I have been incredibly busy, which is why I'm a little short on posting videos. So I'm going to try to stop doing that. I'm going to try to post more videos for you guys. But let's go ahead and turn it off. Oh, what happened? Oh no, it blew up. What? I'll fix it in between episodes. But I AFK'd this for so long. I had to. No, I'll have to redo the whole thing in between episodes. Dang it! I just. Is there any more? Oh, yep. Oh, I think it was just the. Oh, yeah. Right here. Blew up. Damn. I'm gonna fix it in between episodes. But, look at this. All of those chests are filled with cobblestone. I'm loaded for life. Also, I'm gonna show you something. Oop, the wrong button. I forgot the name tag. I'm such an idiot. But there was like a zombie Fletcher in there. I've updated the iron farm, and I've added like this stuff because oh wait, I've added the trapdoors here because spiders kept going into the lava part, and they kept getting like I kept getting string in the filter system. But all the chests got filled up way too much. Like these ones right here, they got filled up so much that I had to add more chests. So there are two things, actually three things I'm going to show you, but I'm only going to show you two things this episode because this episode is actually incredibly long. But yeah. Oh, I got a laze in between episodes. And how did I miss that? So, I've updated the base quite a bit. I've added this here. I brewed some fire res pots, fire protection pots. I went to the nether and got a couple of stuff. I did find a nether fortress, and I got some dried gas. I made an enchantment table room here, so that we could enchant. I've enchanted a little bit of my armor. I'm not gonna enchant this because I want to do it on my diamond armor. So yeah, I left my bed over there. Oh wait, I have a bed right here. Oh, I made like a little mushroom farm because I didn't want to go back to the nether just to get mushrooms for weakness potions to make these spider eyes. So you guys remember the mine shaft I talked to you guys about last episode? I told you I found a where is it? Oh, right here. A spider spawner. I actually found two. Oh, wait, wrong way. Come down here. So, I made a temporary setup of a... Oh, wait, no. Okay. Whew. Could be bad. I made a temporary setup of a little spider farm here. But I've also found this. 1, 2. I'm thinking I should make a dual spider farm. I don't know. Comment down below. I've noticed that my comments have been turned off. Yeah. That's on me. Sorry about that. And then yeah, there's one more thing, two more things I want to show you. With the nether side, but I'm gonna show you that next episode. And I'm gonna show you something I did with the Pillager outpost tower. That took me. I'll tell you guys when we go over there. I have everything. Yeah, I'm just put some stuff in the chest. So So I've been grinding some stuff here. You guys saw all those ominous bottles? Oh wait, let me go to my bed. Bed. Ooh. Well, that's pretty good. You're stuck in the freaking boat. That means I can easily just yes. And another end pearl for me. Please tell me you guys heard that. It was like something screaming. I don't know what that is. I've never heard that. Or could have been the Nautilus. Wait. I want to show you guys something too. I don't know if it's still there, but I found like a giant fish. And he didn't look like the normal size of a fish. I don't think he's still here anymore. Yeah, no. Wait, no, I don't think that works anymore either. Oh well. Well, sorry, I recently got back into the old version of Minecraft because at my school, when I'm bored, I just play Minecraft. But yeah, we're gonna head over to the Pillager outpost, or at least what it is now. And I'm gonna show you guys something. By the way, keep your eyes alert. It's pretty insane. And oh, right. Yep. Get off. Jimothy here. Ready to feast your eyes on this. Oh my god, this took over 10 hours to do. This is why I've been like kind of not posting, because I was busy doing I was busy doing all of that. Dude, these pillagers would not let me work. That way. You think you can cut me? I'll cut you. What do you think? Yeah, this took a very long time. Because I had to take down the mountain, I had to level everything, and I also had to dig. It took so much iron. So, if you guys now are wondering what this is, it's a it's called an ominous bottle farm. I will cut you. I will literally cut you. Same with you. I need your bottle though, so. Yep, thank you. Yeah, so, we're gonna finish this up today. Sleep. Ooh, cutting me now, are we? Bro, I hate knockback, but it's a kind of like actually good sword, so. Yeah, I have to, so what I have to do oh! Wait. I didn't bring, oh my god. So, what's gonna happen is iron golems are gonna stand here, attracting those dudes. And down into the hole. Us. Attracting them down into the hole, and they're gonna get funneled up to like $9.99 or like $1.99. I forgot. I built this in the creative world, so I actually know it works. So I recommend it. You guys watch Sunday's hardcore series because some of these farms actually got it from there. So like this farm. Oh yeah, so this farm is one of his, but I've modified it to where it fits in this version because he had magma blocks there, but they actually sometimes walk over it, which is not good because they could kill the iron golem. Oh, it won't hit me. Okay, yeah, so I have to add like a water stream that goes up, and then I'm gonna be up there smacking them. Yeah, I'm gonna stand here, they're gonna go up. Yeah. It has to rain right now. Yeah, I started this because this is an incredibly long build, and I didn't want this episode to be incredibly long for you guys, so yeah. So we're gonna have to grab our glass panes here. I want to do this first. Oh, I forgot another main ingredient. I need a soul sand and kelp. Yes, it's gonna be a water stream. So, okay. It doesn't matter, cause he's just gonna die. So. Up we go. Alright, let's speed this part up right now. Okay, I'm back. That took longer than needed to. If I see how I'm standing up there, because I'm standing so high up, the only place that mobs can spawn is above ground. Nothing else can spawn in the caves below, which heightens the mob count for up here. How'd you get in there? That's good. I have to put water in here, and this happened like right as I kept going up, like in the middle. This happened. I don't know what this is. Like just a split line between it. Tell me if you guys know what that is down in the comments, if I can even get him to work. But yeah, let's get to do this build. I just realized my mic was mute. That isn't my bad. I'm gonna go and get soul sand and kelp, so I should do the farm. Espérate. Yeah, I'm gonna head over to the speed this part with um. I have returned. Wait. How do you get on this side? What? In the... Oh, I might have taken the other way. Oh well. I might have taken the long way. Yep, let's take the boat back over. But yeah, I got a good amount of kelp. I don't think there will be so much, but it's a good amount. Yeah, what? Oh no, I did take the long way. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna really quick get the let's get the soul sand. I should have some because there's like a soul sand valley, and I don't have water. There's like a soul sand valley right above the... we need dirt. Right above the passageway. I'm gonna show you next episode, hopefully. And I could easily get... I didn't check. I didn't teach him. What's the name of the horse, guys? He needs a name. I can't just keep calling him whatever. But yeah, let's go. Let's do... Let's throw that up there. Let's put this here. Just getting prepared. Okay, I don't want to aggro any of them. Oh, was it? I could make some infi... Oh, actually, I want to aggro that guy. Yeah. Don't. He saw me. Oh, damn, he knows the tactic. Woo. That was really easy. Oh yeah, right up here, these two should go. Really? Only 16? Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, I'm gonna sleep off this night. At least hopefully I can. And, 3 and then 1 more. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of digging because it's gonna flow them into like this one block and then they're gonna get thrown up there. So 1, 2, 3. Let's speed up this video right now. Okay, I've finished mining out this place or digging. I need to add the water and then I need to add the whole soul sand stuff in the middle here. And yeah. Sorry, that's my Alexa. Okay, yeah. Let's get to it. I have to add, I'll show you. So I have to add trap mouth. What can I? Okay, so as I was saying, we need to put fences so that the water that we put doesn't seep in. Doesn't like make sure so it doesn't make sure it over spills. I'll show you. So like you know a regular water source. Let me grab it. 1, 2. A regular water. Oh, they're down here. Okay. A regular water source goes. How do I get it back? How do I get it back up? Over here. I hate these guys. I'm gonna be so honest with you. Oh my! And they spawn like so much. It's annoying. Oh, too much there. Oh no! Oh, it's perfect. And they just keep spawning. Oh my god! Right? But as I was saying, like a regular water source goes around. Oh my. If I grab the where are they? Oh, I'm dumb. Sorry about that. But if I grab the fences, these, if I just grab them, head on here, and then if I just place them, oops. Oh my god. Oh right, the water source. But so if I place these here, right here, right? And if I place this there, open them. The water that comes in, or whatever, the water that I placed to flow the pillagers that fall down, it's gonna flow I need to eat up. Ah, my god. The water should flow down. Oops. My bad. Break this. Put it right there. Right. The water should just, Yeah. Ooh. I need to place them along this side. Wait. What? Oh, I need to do this one down. Ugh. I know this build is actually insanely hard, which is why I'm gonna speed up the video. Right. Actually, I might cut the video. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the video. See you later. Okay, I finished up most of this farm. I did quite a lot when I skipped it. I just checking for the pillagers. I did finish all this. Easy. Look, the pillager is gonna fall in there, and the more that they dang it! I forgot to do one more thing. Move. Yeah, I'm in here. Be quiet. Oh, what the hell? Where'd you come from? Okay, let me. Oh, how are you hitting me? Okay. 1, 2, 3, right there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 2, 3. Okay, I need you up here now. Let me up. Oh, wait there. Let me up. I'm just a purple Minecraft player. You think you can hit me? Do you actually think that you, a nobody, can hit me? Get in there, boy. Get in the farm. Ah. Another nobody who thinks they can. Take it? Are you kidding me? Oh, forgot to kill you. My bad. I'm a god in this world. There's no killing me. Oh, I should remove this stuff too. Okay, perfect. So the water. Are you kidding me? So the water there is only here for the because so that they don't spawn in there and then kill all of the otra vez to pitch it. So that they don't spawn in there and kill the iron golems that attract them. But we need to kill this guy first. We need to go build the top of this farm. So I built this thing here, so I could just go up here easily. And to get down, you just hug the wall, and then it'll drop you in water. Okay. Now we got a bridge over. Okay. Right up to here. Then we need to put some glass here. Oh wait, no. Break this. No wait. Yeah, break it. Because we're gonna break this, because the water's gonna flow them down. So we need to put a border of glass here. You know what? I might have to make more panes. Yeah. Alright. Um, I think I just need to make one more 16 panes, right? And then they're gonna go here. Yeah, see, look, it connects there. Right here. Then we put this here, and then they're gonna flow right here to the killing chamber. I need one more fence gate. Right, there we go. Let's break this. Oh. Oh, I said my water, that's good. Wait. I need to put this there, open it. Break this. And a pain in the butt. That's what this would be. Give me blocks. Bridge over. Oh my. Right. Oh wait. Right here. With the water bucket. Break this block. I'll grab the fence gate. Put it there. Open it. Oh wait, no. We need to go one out. Right here. Right there. Perfect. Now we're just gonna go like a couple. Why can't I reach that? Huh. Okay, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do this right now. Really quick, cut the video just right now. Okay, so I have finished with the farm. But I don't want you guys to see it because I need to add one more key thing to actually make the farm actually work. It's iron golems. So I need 4 iron golems, which is 16 16 blocks. 16 times 9. 16 times 9. Let's see here. Pull my calculator. Clear. 16 times 9. I need 144. Which is 2.25 stacks. So I'm just gonna give myself 3 stacks. 1, 2, 3. Right? And now we're gonna really quick craft it into blocks. And we're gonna head back over there. And we're gonna actually see if the farm works. It actually does work. I've done it in a creative tester world. I need 4 pumpkins. Oh my Okay. Uh, there. Wait. Iron block. All of them. 21. Just need 16. And 48 left. Oh, my helmet broke. I just noticed that. I also made this kind of like temporary bee farm. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Snip, 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 snip. I forgot that happens. Alright, yeah, now I'm gonna head over there really quick. I don't know why I just don't take the horse. Also, like I said before, comment down below what I should name him if I can even get the comments to work. But yeah. The pillow looks insane. Let me pull out the blocks. Oh wait, also some of my cobblestone. Okay, I don't want to aggro any of them because I don't have time. This video is gonna be so long. I'm sorry, guys, if it is, because I've been recording for like maybe 2 hours now. Damn. And I immediately just jump in. What am I doing? Yes. Okay. Plus this there. I'm gonna spawn them in all at once. So this there, this. No, I think I should just do it like regular. Isn't that... You know what? Let's just get the iron golem spawn. I'll be right back. Okay, I am pleased to inform you the farm is finished. So let's go test it out. All I have to do... Real quick. All I have to do is... And of course, I obviously do that again. My bad. So... Okay. Let's go up here. Oh, I have finished the, you'll see. This part, yeah. This is it. So, they should start spawning at like their maximum rate, hopefully. See how they're, here, let me go to free cam. So see how they're all falling into the thingy? Because they're attracted. Look, there goes one. That's the guy I need. They're, ooh. I hope that's not a problem. But they're attracted by the iron golems, and they're gonna fall in here. No! I'm too high that when they... Oh my... I'm too high that when they fall, they spawn. No! Hold on, let me fix that. Oh. Wait, that's not good. Okay. Ah! No! Ooh. Oh my god. Up this way. Up. Nope. Up we go. Yep. So I think I lowered it enough to to where they just like spawn. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Right here. Yeah, I think this is low enough to where they just actually. How is it still there? Huh. Oh yeah, perfect. Watch. Now when they're gonna push each other in. He's about to go up. Watch. Nope. Yep, there he goes. This is insane. Yep. All I do is gotta stand here. I can even AFK it. Do I got torches? No, I do not. But that's okay. Don't need them. I don't need. I'm too good. I might have to sleep actually. Okay, yeah. I might have to lower this to make sure that I can just like AFK that while, and then I lowered it to where they actually don't like do like can't even hit me, as well as like don't just like go back into the water. They stay in one place. But yeah. Dude, ladies and gentlemen, if you have enjoyed, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.